Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Today, I'll show you 10 side hustles you can start immediately to make extra cash without quitting your day job. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn extra income. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell skills such as writing, graphic design, or even simple virtual assistant services. The best part? You can work from anywhere, whether it's at your home office or at your favorite coffee shop. You get to choose your projects, set your own hours, and decide how much you want to get paid. It's one of the most flexible side hustles you can start today. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding inventory. You set up an online store, list trending products, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them. This means you don't need a warehouse or huge startup costs. With just a laptop and Wi-Fi, you can manage sales, track orders, and grow your store. Many people even run their business while traveling, giving them complete freedom and flexibility. If you enjoy photography or videography, you can turn your creativity into income by selling stock photos and videos. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images pay you royalties every time someone downloads your work. Everyday content like cityscapes, food, and lifestyle images are always in demand. Even casual photographers can build a portfolio over time and earn passive income while they sleep. It's a side hustle that keeps paying you long after you've done the work. Delivery and rideshare jobs are perfect if you already have a car, bike, or even a scooter. Apps like Uber, Bolt, and Mr. D allow you to work whenever you want, choosing your own hours. You can do it part-time after work, on weekends, or whenever you have free time. Many drivers enjoy the flexibility and the fact that they can track their daily earnings in real time. It's an easy way to make quick cash while staying in control of your schedule. Reselling is one of the oldest and simplest side hustles. All you need to do is find undervalued items, whether from thrift stores, clearance sales, or online marketplaces, and flip them for a profit. People are always looking for affordable fashion, electronics, and home goods. You can even increase your profits by cleaning or refurbishing items before reselling them. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, or eBay make it easy to connect with buyers and turn unwanted products into money in your pocket. Tutoring is a great way to share your knowledge while earning extra cash. Whether it's math, English, or coding, there's a huge demand for online tutors worldwide. Platforms like Preply and TutorMe make it easy to find students who need your help. With just a computer, webcam, and headphones, you can teach from home and connect with students anywhere. Not only is it rewarding to help others succeed, but it can also become a reliable source of income. Small businesses know the power of social media, but most don't have time to manage it. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can schedule posts, create captions, run ads, and boost engagement for clients. All you need is creativity, consistency, and basic knowledge of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Businesses are willing to pay monthly retainers for this service, and you can manage multiple clients at once. It's a side hustle with unlimited growth potential. Content writing is still one of the most in-demand freelance skills. Businesses, blogs, and marketing agencies need articles, website copy, and newsletters written every single day. If you enjoy writing, this can be a perfect side hustle. The best part? You don't need to be an expert, you just need to research, write clearly, and deliver value. Over time, you can increase your rates and build long-term relationships with clients. Consistent writing can turn into a dependable stream of income. Voiceover work has exploded in recent years with the rise of online content. Businesses, YouTubers, and audiobook creators are constantly looking for people with clear, engaging voices. With a simple microphone and free editing software, you can record from home and deliver professional quality work. Platforms like Voices.com and Fiverr make it easy to find clients. If you've got a good voice, this is one of the most enjoyable and profitable side hustles to try. YouTube automation is one of the most exciting opportunities right now. Instead of showing your face, you can create faceless videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and editors. These videos can cover trending topics like finance, lifestyle, or tech, and with consistent uploads, your channel can grow quickly. The best part? YouTube pays you through ad revenue once your channel is monetized, and the income potential is massive. With the right strategy, this side hustle can turn into a full-time business. Those are 10 side hustles you can start today to make extra cash. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who also want to boost their income.